What's up, y'all? It's D, and we have a special guest today. Her name, what's your name? Laiyah. She's here back again with us today. Last time we tried the Canada snacks, right?
Yeah.
And they were so good, weren't they? Yeah. So shout out to our best friend who's behind the camera. We're about to go ahead and do this video today. So it's just me and Laiyah today trying this snack. And Keys cooking though.
Yeah.
Yep. Okay, so we're about to go ahead and try the snack crate for this month, y'all.
Drop it.
Huh?
Drop it.
I dropped it? Yeah. Okay, so now what we're going to do is go ahead and open it and see who we got it from, right?
Stickers on it.
Yeah, they have stickers too.
Oh,
You know how to keep them for you.
This in the store?
Yeah. So are you ready to see what we have?
Yeah.
And let me tell you guys, we had a little sneak peek based off what they said on the package. So if I'm correct by what they said, and I'm gonna tell you once I open it, then I know. So you ready? Huh?
I should see what that says.
So you ready? Do drum roll. Drum roll, and we have friends. Oh. Y'all can't see it. The light is too. Y'all can probably see it a little bit. Okay, so y'all, as y'all can tell. Wait, let me start over. All right, y'all. So as y'all can tell, can I see it, Laiyah?
Yes.
We have French. First of all, it did say bonjour and then my name, so I said that's definitely France.
I'm thirsty.
So you're thirsty?
That's an agua.
Agua, yep. Y'all, this girl is funny. Okay, so let me just say a couple of fun facts. Like, you gonna help me say it? So the number one thing of France is that potatoes were illegal in France for 24 years.
Yeah.
So they forbid any cultivation of potatoes on the grounds. And then, let's see. A French woman was the oldest woman to be alive in France.
Wait, you do this first.
Okay, what's this? It just says want more snacks.
Oh.
That's it. But then you can show them your stickers. Okay, y'all. So that's really the fun facts. They don't have a lot this week. So what I'm going to do is, what's easier? You guys like when we have food passed to us? That's what we're going to do. So in our background, do you mind? You don't mind? Okay. So just pass us the food, and then we'll try. Okay, so you ready, Laiyah?
Yeah.
The first snack we have is Lay's Silver. Can you spell that? What's that, Laiyah?
Chips.
Chips? Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
Spicy chips.
Chips? Okay, so it says a crunchy, savory potato chips flavored with roasted chicken.
I got my Snickers.
Yeah, so you ready to taste?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's nasty? It's nasty?
No, it's really good. Here, your mommy gonna taste it too. Your mommy gonna taste it. Not yet. Don't eat it yet, okay? You don't. Okay. All right. You ready? Keys, do you want some? She don't want that. Okay, so you ready?
Yeah.
Let's go.
It's nasty? It's nasty?
It's good.
It's not nasty.
It's not nasty? It's good? You sure?
Yeah, let me get some.
Where's my chip? I have. It's not that bad, right?
Yeah. And next one.
It's not bad, right? It tastes like chicken.
Yeah. I like chicken.
You like chicken? Uh-oh.
What is that?
I don't know. Let's try the next one. Let's wash our mouths off with water first. Here. Is Pat. There you go. All right, makeup artist. I'm trying to get it. Lick your lip. Okay, that's it. Okay, there you go. Let's wash it down with some water. Get your water. Okay. The next one is called Madeline. The name was given Madeline to the sweet buttery cakes of King Louis. I don't know what this number is. In honor of the royal chef Madeline.
What is that?
It's kind of burnt. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Open yours.
Okay.
You want to taste? Or you don't want to taste no? No?
Okay. Open myself.
You open by yourself. You ready?
Yep.
Let's try it.
And the next one. And the next one. Ew!
You don't like it? Here, spit it out from here.
What is that?
It's a cookie.
Yeah.
All right.
Muffin.
You don't like it?
Yeah.
It's kind of good. I like it.
Yeah,
It's like a buttery cookie that you guys get like on Thanksgiving or something, I think. Like the butter cookies. It actually tastes good.
yeah, it feels so good.
She just threw it out.
And the next one.
It's not nasty. Next one up.
What is
All right.
that? Candy?
Candy.
Look.
Oh, this is fire. Okay. These hot-headed candies. Let's show them, Leia. So these hot-headed candies are coated with intense sour flavor, but reveal a sweet inside. Can you take the heat? So are they spicy or are they sour? I'm confused, but we're going to taste it. Let me wash my mouth down with water. You want to wash your mouth down?
Yep. Wait to me.
That's good, Leia.
Yep.
Yep, you ready?
No, you have some more. Okay.
I already had some.
No, that.
This? Oh, you want me to pour it in here? Okay. I'll pour some in here. She want me to pour some in a cup like her, y'all. Okay. Okay. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, so which one do you want? The green or the red?
The green.
Green? Okay, you ready? Open it up. You want the red? I'm scared to try it.
Yeah,
Here, have this one. Have this one. Not yet, Leia. Don't eat it yet. Let's show them what it looks like. It looks like a Laffy Taffy, kind of, sort of. Let's go. Girl, how can you eat that? Is it good? It's sour. Sour? You want it?
What is that flavor?
It's sour. Y'all, this sour.
Yeah,
I'm trying to bite it, but she bit it hard. That didn't hurt your teeth. All right, y'all. I'm done with this. Let me see. We didn't even try these, but we could probably save it for like Keys or my best friend in the back. Did I ever say her name in the video? Yeah, her name was Nisha, y'all. Oh.
Whoa.
All right, Leia, let's see what these are. Crambar Atomic. These colorful, chewy candies feature a mix of fruity and sour flavors.
Ooh, I love Lilo. You love Lilo?
Yeah.
And Daddy loves that. And Chris like that.
Your dad like that?
And Chris like that.
Really? Okay. So, Okay, so which one do you want?
No.
Excuse
It's
me,
two
y'all.
daddies. It's two daddies. It's two boys. It's two boys.
Okay, that's the boys. Okay, let's do this one. Let's eat these. You ready?
Yep.
Let's eat them. You just unswivel them.
Yep.
You got it, almost. Let's twist them.
The whole me is hard. So hard. Yeah. Daddy, I try it. That slime. I love slime. Comment the slime. I know you want slime.
This was suspect, y'all. Hold on.
I find it, yeah.
Baby girl. Hold on, Leia. Hold on. We're going to take a pause, y'all, and I'm going to tell y'all what happened after
It's
the
two
fact.
boys.
All right, you guys, we're going to go ahead and take a bite. Pineapple.
Pineapple.
It's good. It's real good, y'all. Real good.
Very soft.
I must say, so far, this isn't one of my favorite
There you go.
friends.
There you go.
Cause it's not any chocolates unless it's just my best friend throwing me all the, I don't know. You got chocolates. Okay. Oh, they got Herbo. Wait, wasn't Herbo invented in France or was it Germany?
Johnny.
Germany?
Yep.
Really?
Yep.
Okay, so you ready to eat gummy bears?
Nope. Wait.
Okay. It says Herbo Orgiana Pick. Delicious chewy gummies flavored with zesty orange flavor from a soda. So, okay, we're going to do that in a minute, okay? Here, try one of these.
This is sour.
Smells so good.
This is sour.
Go ahead, taste it.
It's sour.
Nuh-uh. It's not. Wait, you have to try it. It's so good. It's not sour. I promise.
No.
It's up to you. You want it? Yeah, she's telling her mama to try it. You want your mom to try it? Here. She's gonna tell us if she like it, y'all. Not bad.
What about me, Mommy?
This is yours. Alright. You ready? Petite Eco. Something with chocolate in it.
What about me?
Are you done eating, Leia? Let me give you a break.
No.
Come on, let's wash this sour stuff down. Come on, let's wash it down.
It's enough.
It's enough? Okay. I'm going to wait till you're done eating so we can continue recording, okay?
Okay.
So this is called a Petite Eco layer, a crunchy, sweet, buttery cookie with a layer of chocolate.
Ew.
Ooh. You wanna, ooh, I think this is gonna be my favorite.
Chocolate.
Here, hold it. We gonna give your mama one. You ready to taste?
Yep.
Ready?
Yeah, what about Mom?
We gonna give it to her in a minute, okay?
I eat the chocolate.
Oh my God.
Oh my gosh.
They should have put 2 in here. I'm good. You and Keisha have. Y'all gotta try this. Let me know. I'm gonna take your chocolate. It tastes like a Kit Kat. Milk chocolate candy bar with a filling of caramel and hazelnuts. You ready?
Yeah.
No, this is a different one.
Oh,
It's a different one. Here, you take a bite.
Chocolate?
You want to taste it, Nisha?
It's chocolate. It's chocolate.
Chocolate. It's good. Here, Nisha. We'll have her try it. The next one is a Sundae bar. This unique treat is made with crunchy corn flakes formed into a bar and dipped in dark chocolate. That sounds pretty nasty, but we're gonna try it, right, Leia?
Yeah, I want to try it.
Chocolate.
What is that?
It's chocolate. It's good.
Ow.
It's good.
Ow.
I don't want to try it.
It's nasty. It's nasty. It's nasty.
It's good.
It's nasty. It's not nasty.
Leia, I'm scared. Is it good?
No. Yes.
We're going to have your mom taste it instead.
Taste it. Taste it.
Oh, hell no.
Oh.
I can't try that. Oh, chocolate. Rinse your mouth out with water, Leia. All right, so the next one is called Poulain. It is a pure chocolate bar. It says, we've included one of our 3 decadent flavors from this famous French chocolatier. You ready, Leia?
Yes, yes.
This makes me feel like I'm in Willy Wonka.
I
found the golden ticket.
I need to dig the feet. I love you. Dig the feet. We're inside.
Here, take a piece. Like I said, take a piece.
And I tried it. It's so hard.
It's so hard. Y'all. Y'all. I'm keeping that. This thing here. Oh my God. Was it good, Leia? You about to be hyper right there.
It's so shiny.
Macchiato?
It's so funny.
So funny. Here, Leia. Take a little stick. Take a stick.
A stick.
You ready?
What is that?
It's a stick.
Cookies.
You ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
What is that?
It's so good. Chocolate biscuit.
I want some more.
Is it good?
I want to eat that first.
You want it?
I'm going to taste one. I like cookies. Yep. Goody?
These are actually good, y'all. Yeah, finish those. Yeah, finish them. Alright, you guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. We have our special guest, Leia. Did you enjoy the snacks? Yeah?
It was Donald Trump, Mommy? Yeah.
All right. So what you gonna tell them?
Thank you.
Uh-huh.
Thank you.
Thank you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit your post notification bell. And we are out. Peace. Peace. Bye, y'all.